In this video, I'll guide you on how to build backlinks for Zscaler or similar platforms to improve your website SEO and online visibility. Since I can't directly access Zscaler's internal tools, I'll focus on external methods you can use to create high-quality backlinks for your Zscaler-related content. First, identify target content to backlink. Decide which page or content you want to provide. For example, your blog about Zscaler features or a landing page highlighting its benefits. Ensure the content is valuable, informative, and optimized for SEO to make it worth linking to. Second, reach out to relevant blogs and websites. Look for tech blogs, cybersecurity websites, or SaaS review platforms that discuss topics like Zscaler, cloud security, or networking solutions. Then contact this website and pitch your content. Offer to write a guest post. Request a link to your page if it adds value to their existing content. And then third, leverage social media and forums. Like share your Zscaler related content on platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or Reddit. Focus on cybersecurity and tech focus groups. And then engage in discussions, answer questions, and naturally mention your content with a link where you appropriate. And then use a Q&A platforms like visit platforms like Quora or Stack Overflow and look for questions related to Zscaler, cybersecurity, or cloud solutions. And then provide helpful answers and include your link, if allowed, to guide readers to your content for more details. And then submit your website to directories and listings. Like submit your website to relevant tech directories or SaaS listing platforms like G2 or Capterra. Then make sure to include a link back to your Zscaler content when completing the profile. And then collaborate with influencers or partners, like partners with cybersecurity influencer or companies who might share or link your content, and then offer a co-branded content or resources like a joint white paper or webinar. Then monitor and track backlinks. Use tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Google Search Console to monitor your backlinks. Then check for broken links to your site and reach out to webmasters to fix them or replace them with updated content. And that's it. That's how you build backlinks for Zscaler or similar platforms. I hope these steps help you grow your online presence and boost your SEO. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.